Here we are again. Just for the record, doing kind of a little bit of research. We're like a few meters from the same spot that our last bird spawned. So let's hope that we can catch this one. I'm gonna wait for the road to be a little bit more sturdy. My mom is driving, so let's try to set the circle. Should I even try Ken's tactic that drop a ball first to hope that the Abra will catch better or something? I don't know. Let me just wait for my mom to slow down and not hit potholes, and we'll see how it goes. Literally, like, I'm gonna throw the ball like in the exact same spot that I threw the last one. And it's gone.